Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this dot mandala, cerulean blue is the background color and I'm going to use sky blue as a dotting color. Let's get started. I'll start with dotting in the center. I'll keep some sky blue dots now. I'll keep tiny dots now. Some more sky blue dots. I'll keep two side swipes to these dots. I'll keep some plumpy dots. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some more dots now. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some dots. Some more sky blue dots now. I'll keep tiny dots now. I'll keep some bigger dots in sky blue. I'll keep some more dots. I'll walk the dots now. I'll walk the dots another layer in sky blue. I'll keep two side swipes. I'll work the dots again. I'll keep some dots. I think this cerulean blue and sky blue combo also came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.